Okay, so my name is Paul Mascarenas and I'm the Chief Technical Officer at Ford Motor Company here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. We're sitting inside our new 2014 Ford EcoSport, which is a new vehicle that we're launching in Europe later this year. It's a very interesting vehicle in that it's a fun, exciting, small SUV that we think will appeal to some of our younger customers living a city and active lifestyle. As you can see, the vehicle has got a lot of technology. One of the key technologies is called Sync, which is our in-car connectivity system, which allows you to bring a smartphone into the vehicle and connect, play music, make phone calls, and then through an additional feature called App Link, bring new content into the vehicle. Here at Mobile Congress, we announced a new partnership with Spotify, which allows to bring streaming music into the vehicle using the great music service that they offer. Also some additional apps with partners like Glimpse, which is a location-based app, which will be great for our customers in the vehicle. Kaliki, which is a news and magazine articles, audible playback, and Aha. The important thing about this is really this convergence between the vehicle and consumer electronics, and being able to offer our customers both seamless connectivity but also great content in the vehicle to enhance their overall user experience. And for us, the key enabler in the vehicle is being able to do that through voice commands using our Sync in-vehicle connectivity system. So that's the story that we have here at Mobile Congress this year.
What is your partner for the development of technology?
For the development of technology, we have a developer program, which is a program that allows app developers to work with us to have their apps interface in the vehicle, using the feature called App Link, which allows our customers, when they're driving the vehicle, to continue to focus on driving, keeping their hands on the steering wheel, keeping their eyes on the road, but to control those apps through voice controls.
The car is available? Is it just available?
Yeah, this car will be launched in Europe. It will be available later this year, and App Link will also be available as a feature on the new Ford EcoSport, and really excited and looking forward to the launch here.
What is the price?
Price we'll announce later. We're actually showing this car next week at the Geneva Auto Show, and we'll have a lot more information for our customers there.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, so welcome to the Connected Vehicle Cloud by Ericsson. This is where we help Volvo. We provide a backend of a service infrastructure to which the car that we see here in the stand connects. It's an ecosystem where a number of participants can connect to, share data, build applications and distribute applications to the car itself. Examples could be the car manufacturer itself, with the production plants, the repair shops, dealerships and so forth. Third-party application developers who are building applications for the cloud, even insurance companies, fleet management companies and so forth. So basically anyone who has a reason to be in this environment can connect and take part of it. This is what the driver will see in the car on the 7-inch screen, running an Android system with a number of applications installed from the scratch. Infotainment type applications like stream music from Spotify, quite popular service in Sweden and a few other countries, where you can take your normal playlist and account that you use on the PC or mobile into the car and stream directly. Internet radio stations, thousands of them from a third party called TuneIn, streaming radio from the internet. A number of applications related to driving, of course, navigation systems. This is the built-in navigation from Volvo called iGo with maps from Google Maps. But also, since this is an open system, other application developers can offer other type of apps in this area. So for instance, related historic information of where you're driving coming from Parrot itself. Things like road hazard warnings, accidents, speed limits and those type of things, serving the driver in real time.
This technology is only for Volvo or for other?
No, this particular implementation is Volvo. The important thing is, again, if we look at this, it is basically the ecosystem of deciding what applications can be sent to what car and who is allowed to come in and build apps and share data. So the technology as such, the ecosystem is the important thing. We're working with Volvo to do this, so it's actually set up as a partnership. But in essence, we're managing the entire infrastructure for Volvo, so it's a service to them. So we're taking care of the entire cloud for them on a global basis. So we have access points across the entire world.
What's the future of the automotive industry? Is more and more closer to the technology?
I think that services will be the main thing, right? So we've been talking about horsepower as a service for a long time, right? So anything, basically getting the car as yet another channel to access services, right? So instead of building engines, you sell horsepowers, and ultimately, I guess maybe the car will actually drive itself, repair itself, and those kind of things. Basically, just by getting new and more information from the internet and from the providers.